forever. I thought we'd be together, but at least I know now it ain't all about the looks. At least I know now that you was a crook. Yeah, 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 yeah. Drive me crazy, crazy.
Can you come? Come in, what driving a damn shit crazy?
Jesus Christ.
You know what driving you
You
crazy?
ruined me, Mom!
No smoke.
Arrived.
Let's get parking. We early, so let's try to find something up top. People is already here. A lot. I don't want to park too far down because then. Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. So we are back from Jamaica. So today I'm heading to the grocery store because I thought that my fruits and my vegetables would be good to me. They would have been like, you know what, Shelly spent a lot of money on these products. Let's try to keep fresh until she get back. But no. Them decide, say, them go spoil and get rotten. I'm have to dash them away and come spend more money. Yeah. Because them see me have one money tree on the back of my yard. But anywho, we're heading into Whole Foods. I got to stock up on some stuff because I get back to work tomorrow. Jabari's been back in school, but you know, still got to get him a few things here and there. Right, Mr. J? Where are you? Yeah. So we're heading into Whole Foods. So this is going to be a very short vlog. Just showing you guys what we're going to be picking up. And then we're going to be heading back home. Since I've been back, I haven't been anywhere really. Because, I don't know, I was a little bit under the weather. I had a sore throat. I'm still a little bit muffled, but I'm feeling way better. And I just didn't want to go anywhere. I just didn't have that vibe, yeah? But if I don't do it today, then I don't know when again it's going to get done. So I literally had to drag myself out of bed to come to the grocery store. So yeah, that's basically it. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, let's switch this off and go. Okay guys, so come along with us.
Oh my gosh, it's Whole Foods here. I'm gonna
Get a basket. Ooh. This bag trays them to get some bags, Jay. You know, you could try these. I need some cilantro. Jamari, hurry up with the bags. Should we eat carrots or no? I think we have a little bit in the fridge.
I'm freezing and I got a hoodie on.
Alright.
me do everything. I'm pushing the cart, I'm holding the camera. I can't even fit through there, so I can't even go through there. Is that papaya?
Dad, I hope you will watch this. So it's half a papaya, and this is for $3.47. So thank you for feeding me with papayas when I'm there. Cause
Tell them why you're saying that.
it is so expensive. I'm saying that because my daddy, he plants them. He has a lot of them.
Yeah. So my grandpa, he plants papaya, right? And he plants them. And he gave us some, and we ate a lot of papaya there. And here it's like so expensive to get papaya. So that's why she's saying that. Watch this, guys. I got this. My mom just gave me this, right? Look at that. Look at that. Ready? Ready? Huh? He slammed dunk on it. Huh? Cart, guys. It's just full. Now we gotta go and get snacks, right?
I need to get some yogurt first.
I want some cashews. I don't know what's up with my mom. She only gets the same brand yogurt.
That's what I like.
I guess when you get used to something, I mean, it's hard to let go of it.
That's what I like.
Like I'm used to mac and cheese, and I mean, if someone ever took mac and cheese away from me,
I don't see the one.
we gotta square up, bro. We gonna have to fight. We gonna have to fight. Which one is it called again?
Step back.
Can we get cashews, Ma? Cashews are this way.
One slice of cheese fits on that slice.
I need these buns, but I need to get the
Pause. Pause.
because I'm not getting any other bread.
Cool. That's so bad.
I need to get a
so my mom is looking for some skin rejuvenator thing, right? She can't find it. You think it's at CVS, Ma? Why don't you check there? Lutathrimone? Bust down Lutathrimone. Bust down Lutathrimone. It's a lot of pills, I'm telling you. And they got powders. They got a lot of stuff, man. Forehead looking big, jeez. Oh no, no one can see that. No one can see that.
Hold on.
No, no.
You have the key.
I don't have the key.
Hold this.
Ah, my hands are... See, you lost the key. Done. Look, we're going to the dog shelter now, guys.
No, we're not going to no dog show.
Why?
No.
I just want to look at some dogs, Mom.
Jamari, cut it out. Put it in our car.
I don't want them to see everything when we're turning.
There's the guy.
Bye.
Did he wave?
Yeah. The little baby's name is Ben.
He is too adorable. You see that? He is just too fourth. Please.
Food market. Girl, I thought you was the one. It turns out you dated me just for fun. Yeah, I was dumb. But in my defense, I am still really, really young. Together, I thought we'd be forever. Forever, I thought we'd be together. But at least I know now it ain't all about the looks. At least I know now that you was a crook. Yeah. Drive me crazy.
Can you come? Come in, what? Driving a damn shit crazy.
Jesus Christ.
You know what? You're
You
crazy.
ruined me.